We're at a commercial building in New Brunswick, New Jersey, dealing with a raccoon. If you look here, you could see a hole in the roof made by a raccoon. You could see the raccoon hair stuck in the roof. Recently, new metal and new gutters were installed, but the roof wasn't fixed, and that's how the raccoon was able to enter the building. We have a strong feeling that, because of the time of the year, it is a female raccoon with kits that invaded the building. So we're going to set up a device that'll safely capture the adult female raccoon. Once the adult female is in the device, she'll call the kits to enter the device with her. Right now, we have a nose cone that is installed over the access point. This will safely guide the adult female into the one-way, which leads into a heavy-duty two-gated device. The front gate of the two-gated device is wired open, and the back gate is set. So the adult female will exit the area, go through the one-way, into the two-gated device, and the back gate will close. Once she realizes she's unable to exit, the adult female will call the kits, who will safely enter the device with the adult female. That way, we can safely relocate the adult female and the kits to a new, humane location.